Lava is one of the hottest materials on Earth, reaching temperatures above 1100 degrees Celsius. Ice, on the other hand, melts at just 0 degrees. So what happens when these two extreme forces collide? When red-hot lava touches ice, the ice doesn't simply melt slowly. Instead, the intense heat causes it to instantly turn into steam. This sudden transformation produces large clouds of vapor and powerful pressure beneath the molten rock. As the steam tries to escape, it pushes through the lava, creating large bubbles across its surface. These bubbles can even contain smaller bubbles inside them, giving the lava a strange, foamy appearance. At the same time, the outer layer of the lava begins to cool and harden into dark volcanic rock. This crust can trap pockets of superheated steam inside, forming bubble structures within the solid rock. Surprisingly, the lava doesn't always melt straight through the ice. A thin layer of steam forms between them, acting like a cushion that allows the lava to slide across the surface instead of burning through it immediately. This dramatic interaction between heat and cold reveals just how powerful and fascinating Earth's natural processes can be.